Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Douglas on the product team for Agentforce Vibes, and this is a demo asset tracker application, a spec-driven build using Salesforce Skills. Models can sometimes struggle with the nuances of the Salesforce platform, so we've introduced a number of Salesforce skills that provide specialized instructions so that models can generate quality, deployable metadata and code. Throughout this build, Vibes leverages these new skills for each file type it creates. For this application, I want to create a custom UI where the user can enter new asset record and view a list of the 5 most recent asset records entered. The asset will have a number of custom fields, including a lookup to the contact object. I'll drop this spec into the chat and get started. In plan mode, Vibes starts devising the plan and approach it will take to build this project. It has a specific question about its approach to building the UI, and once I provide my input and tell it to skip unit tests, I'll switch to act mode so that Vibes can get to work. Now here's the key to this build. Vibes isn't just letting the model generate code based on its training and hoping for the best. For each type of file it needs to create, it uses a dedicated skill to provide guidance. Skills are specialized instructions that encode Salesforce best practices, correct metadata structure, and deployment ready patterns for each specific file type. It uses its generating lightning app skill to orchestrate the entire build. This skill parses the requirements, creates a structured build plan, then executes specialized skills in dependency order across 5 phases: data model, business logic, user interface, application assembly, and security. It also validates cross-component integrity before finalizing, ensuring things like object tab coverage, relationship integrity, and permission set completeness are all correct. As each metadata type is created, the corresponding skill ensures the correct structure, component dependencies, best practices, and cross-references are all wired together so that everything works as a cohesive, deployable application. Once complete, Vibes uses the Salesforce MCP server to deploy the application to my org. After successful deployment, Vibes assigns my user to the permission set so I can access the app, tabs, and custom object. Let's open Salesforce and take a look at what Vibes built. Here's our new Asset Tracker Lightning Experience app. We have a tab for the asset custom object and one for the Lightning page that hosts the LWC. We can enter an asset name, the status, the acquisition date, purchase price, and then select Kieran as the lookup contact record. Not bad at all. Looks like it's working as designed. Sure, it still needs some polish, but in just a few minutes, I scaffolded a working application without the toil of creating each piece manually and wiring it all together. Now I can get started on the business logic and integrations. Let's look at the asset records themselves. All the fields are on the page layout, and the record we just created looks good. I'd say we ship it. Skills make the difference. Build smarter with Agentforce Vibes.